Graph the linear inequality. X plus y is less than or equal to 3. To graph this inequality, we'll first graph the equation x plus y equals 3. To do that, let's find a table of ordered pairs that satisfy this equation. The x-intercept will be when y equals 0, so the x-intercept is the point 3, 0. The y-intercept is the point where x equals 0, and therefore is 0, 3. And we can find one additional point. Let's let x equal 1. When x is 1, we subtract 1 from both sides to find that y is equal to 2. Now we can graph this line using our coordinate grid, where we'll let the dashed or dotted lines represent 1 unit, and so the maximum on each axis will be 6 and the minimum will be -6. We'll plot the points. We have the x-intercept at 3, 0, so we plot a point where on the x-axis at 3. The y-intercept is 0, 3, so we plot a point on the y-axis at 3 units up from the origin. And then we have the point 1, 2. So from the origin, we move right 1 and up 2 units. Remember that we're graphing an inequality, so we need to check to see if we should connect these points with a dashed or a solid line. Our inequality is less than or equal to, and therefore we will use a solid line. We now have the coordinate grid separated by the line into 2 regions. To determine which region to shade, we'll choose a test point. Let's test the origin. So we'll test the point 0, 0 and determine if it satisfies or is a solution to the given inequality. Substituting 0 for x and 0 for y, we have 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 3, which is a true statement because this simplifies to 0 is less than or equal to 3, which is true, and therefore we want to shade the side of the line that contains the origin. So we shade below and to the left of the line to graph this inequality.